In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video and save it in Trello. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing tasks and managing projects, and being able to effectively add multimedia to your boards can greatly enhance your workflow. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Trello.com. This is where all the magic begins. Once you are on the Trello homepage, you'll need to log in to access your boards. Look for the login button on the top right corner of the page and click on it. This will direct you to the login screen where you have a couple of options for accessing your account. You can either log in using your email and password, or if it's more convenient, you can use your Google account. Choose the method that works best for you and follow the prompts to log in. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main Trello dashboard. From here, navigate to the boards section, which you can find at the top of the page. Click on it and you'll be presented with a list of all the boards you've created or have access to, neatly organized under your workspaces. This area acts as the hub for all your projects. Identify the board where you'd like to upload your video, click on it to gain access to the cards within that board. Now it's time to choose a specific card to which you want to attach your video. Each card acts as a container for tasks or pieces of information related to your project. Once you've selected a card, click on it to open it. In the card view, you'll see various options for adding content. Look for an option labeled Attachment. Click on this and it will prompt a window for attaching files. You have two main choices when it comes to uploading your video. You can either click on Choose a File, which will open a File Explorer window, allowing you to navigate through your computer's folders to select your video file. Or, if you prefer a quicker method, you can simply drag and drop the video file directly onto the Trello card from your computer's File Explorer. Both methods will achieve the same result, so feel free to use the one that suits you best. After you've uploaded the video, it will appear as an attachment within the card, neatly stored and easily accessible whenever you need it. Congratulations, you've successfully uploaded a video and saved it to your Trello board. This added functionality can greatly assist you and your team by providing quick access to visual content and updates on your projects. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this guide has been helpful and you feel more empowered to enhance your Trello boards with video content. Remember to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.